I've been here a dozen times and it still gets me, and this is why. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today I'm going to show you this gorgeous duplex penthouse in Torre Bermeja. This is a 3-bedroom, 4 bathrooms duplex penthouse with 206 square meters plus 125 square meters of terrace. As you walk in, it's a wow. Look at this postcard view. Can you just imagine yourself sitting in this living room with that in front? The entire living space has been completely reimagined, and it's following the iconic Melbourne Villa Royale design, and they've used curves everywhere, which you can see. No matter where you're standing, be it here at the kitchen, I'm staring straight out at La Torre. And as a point, this particular duplex is probably the best located apartment in the entire complex. Because the apartment is so spacious, they've had room to put a really good kitchen in. The kitchen island is made with natural mineral stone tile, and it's got an invisible hob completely integrated. You just work it with this, and you've got special hobs here. And next thing, of course, there's always a Thermomix. So the Thermomix comes ready to go. And this is a hot water tap, which you can actually have hot water, cold water, even sparkling. As I said, it's a proper kitchen. All the appliances are by Miele, and you have a double fridge, which is really what you need, very handy. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without a champagne fridge. So you can sit up at the bar, at your dining table. But the best of it is, this can be your breakfast bar, or actually, even better, your own private cocktail bar. As we step around to the main dining terrace, can't you just see yourself here, dining, looking at that? Stepping back into the living room, we start to notice the details. Bang & Olufsen TV and speaker. You have a fireplace, which is heating. And take a look at the lighting, how subtle it is. LED lighting everywhere, giving the most gorgeous warm feeling in the apartment. And let's go and have a look at the bedrooms. They're all suites. I like this. We've got a pocket door for discretion. We have the laundry here, more storage. And this is the second suite, which is very beautiful. At the risk of repeating myself, but we just have to talk about the decor. It's so subtle, beautifully done, wallpaper, everything is lit, low lighting, gorgeous colors, pictures, everything, every detail is here. You don't need to do anything. Let's go and find the other suites. And as usual, there's a few hidden doors, which I've got to find them. And I think I found my first one. What a gorgeous bathroom. Again, wallpaper, it's just beautiful. Next hidden door is the third suite. You have a full-size suite here, decorated in the same style, and is bathroom. And I'm just in love with this curved staircase. How beautiful they've designed it. Upstairs is devoted to just two things, entertaining and the prime suite. And is this a prime suite? So what's so great about this suite? Let's go into all the details. First of all, look at the height of the ceilings. You have natural wood, which has been restored. We have our own private terrace on one side facing the sea. We have another private terrace on the back with a sauna and a shower. Again, TV, a beautiful fireplace. We have underfloor heating, air zone air conditioning, electric blinds, recessed lighting, beautiful decor, and the most beautiful view imaginable. Let's go check out the bathroom, because this one is very special. So on our way to the bathroom, we have the walk-in wardrobes, which are absolutely stunning. All dressed, lighting. It feels like this could be some mega hotel suite, but this could be your home. Let's go to the bathroom. And oh my gosh, what a bathroom. Look at the light, how beautiful it is. All the tiling is porcelain, and can you imagine, these are 360 in height, and they actually bring them into the apartment and they cut them here so they can have it in one piece. The floors are 120 by 120. Looks so gorgeous. And another small detail, TV in your bath. It's actually very difficult to describe the feeling that you have in here, the light. This detail here is very typical Melville Villarroel. He does them in all his projects, but the light that comes in over the bath here, it just gives you such a feeling of calm and peace. But let's not forget another hidden door, and this one goes to the Japanese toilet, Villarroel Bosch. That's a very special one. Moving on, and before we get to the terrace, check out this skylight, how it opens up and gives so much light to the whole area up here. And now we're with the creme de la creme, the entertaining area, which is completely private for you, day bed, and your full-size jacuzzi. And from the hot tub, where in the world are you able to enjoy views? Gibraltar just there, and Africa straight out in front. Every detail has been thought of. Cactus garden, automatic irrigation. You actually don't have to do anything, just enjoy. Just to recap, this is a turnkey apartment. It's listed at $4,995,000 and it includes absolutely everything that you see. Complete turnkey. Walk in, put down your suitcase and just enjoy it. Let's go for a little stroll and let me show you what Torre Bermeja is all about. This is Torre Bermeja on the new Golden Mile, which is directly halfway between Estepona and Marbella and Puerto Banús. It's a gated community with 24-hour security, and it is Pueblo Mediterraneo, which is ground floor +2, so it's low density. There's only 109 apartments in the entire complex. The community facilities at Torre Bermeja are exceptional. You have 2 outdoor pools, indoor pool, 2 gyms, a sauna, and the best thing, direct access onto the beach straight here in front of us. Walking through these gardens, you can immediately see the level of attention to the gardens, the pools, and this is particularly a Melville Villarroel signature style where he really went to town in Torre Bermeja. And also there's a sister development, Cabo Bermeja, but we'll do that another day. The land outside, directly in front of Torre Bermeja, is completely protected. And even, look at this, the community even take care of this area and keep it in the same style. Estepona today is one of the most sought after areas in the entire Costa del Sol. It's now part of the Golden Triangle, which is made up of Marbella, Benajabis and Estepona. Estepona has more green space than almost anywhere in Spain, twice the national average, and it has won awards for its regeneration and audacity in planning. It now has more than 20 kilometers of beachfront paseo maritimo, shops and chiringuitos. For everything you need to know about Torre Bermeja and this beautiful penthouse, links are in the description. And remember, when it comes to your home, it's always personal.